Hey guys, today I want to take a quick look at some maintenance points on our AXION 900 series tractor. We're going to start off here up front by popping the hood using the key from your ignition. Simply turn it, push it in, and lift the hood up. Now the first thing you're going to see here is our air filter. This is where you're going to get access to clean the air filter if necessary after some dusty work. You can also use these quick release latches on either side to fold up the filter and the first radiator. After this, you can also fold up the second radiator to get full access back into the front of the tractor in order to clean it out after some dusty, dirty work. The last thing I want to point out up here is the quick grease charts that we have located right here on the front. Now these are mostly used if you have a front 3-point, but they're a great reference before the start of the day. Hi guys, as we continue around our AXION 900 tractor, the next thing I want to point out is over here by the driver's side door. First off, we have our DEF tank with the blue fill cap right here, and our fuel tank with the black fill cap right here. The next thing to look at is molded into the fuel tank, we have battery access terminals. These are a great feature if you need to jump start another piece of equipment or if your tractor battery has died. Moving back a little bit, you'll see these two black covers here. If the tractor is equipped with air brakes, you'll actually have an air plug-in right here for a quick connect air hose. You can get this hose through your Kloss parts dealer, and with this you'll be able to blow off your tractor daily in the field without a separate air compressor. The next thing underneath it, if your tractor is equipped with a cold weather package, you'll have a plug that you can then use the adapter cable that's provided and plug your tractor in to 110 volt service to keep the block heater running overnight. Lastly, I'm going to take a look under the stairs here. This flips up and gives you access to a toolbox that's slid in here. In this toolbox, commonly the Walterscheid balls are stored. You can also store PTO shafts, hitch pins, anything else that you might need day to day. Lastly, underneath this panel, if you do need access to the battery themselves, they are slid in here. Alright, moving around our AXION 900, the next things I want to point out are the hydraulic system. There are three main points back here that we'll want to look at. First, behind the 3-point top link that we've removed so you can see where we're pointing, is our hydraulic fill. This is where you're going to fill the hydraulic fluid for your transmission and hydraulic system. Secondly, down here to the right is the sight gauge. When you're checking the fluid on your AXION 900, you're going to want your rear 3-point to be all the way in the down position, and the front 3-point, if equipped, should be all the way in the upper position. This will give you the most accurate reading for your hydraulic sight gauge. Lastly, on the left side, you have the overflow container. This allows the excess hydraulic fluid, when you unhook a hose from your remote, to drain down these hoses rather than coming down the back of your tractor. When that is filled, you simply remove it and dump it out into a safe place. On the AXION 900 series tractor, if you need to check your coolant, it's simple to do on the right side of the tractor. Simply pop the hood, and you can see the reservoir right here. We have a minimum level and a maximum level on the side of the tank, as well as the fill cap right here. The last thing I want to look at on our AXION 900 series tractor is where you can check and refill the engine oil. That is going to be located right here on the right side of the tractor, directly in front of our exhaust stack. To gain access, if you turn your wheels all the way to the left and pivot your fender out of the way, you'll have plenty of room to get in here, check with the dipstick, and if needed, refill your engine oil.